Welcome to the product management section for merchants. From this screen, merchants can manage their products and inventory with ease. The very first action available here is Add New Product. This section allows merchants to view all the products they've already listed on the platform and gives them the ability to add new ones. Each listed product appears in the form of a card. These cards display important information about the products the merchant owns and offers to users. On each product card, you can view the name of the product, any available variants, and its current status, which can be toggled between active and inactive. Next, merchants can see the ratings that customers have provided for each individual product. This is followed by the option to edit product details. Clicking on the edit option brings up all the editable fields, including the product name, product type, and a quantity switch, which allows control over whether users can add multiple quantities of this product or not. If the switch is disabled, users will be able to purchase only a fixed quantity. Merchants can also define the product category and, optionally, a subcategory. They can choose whether the product should be recurring or non-recurring. For add-ons, merchants simply need to click on the Add-ons button. Here they can specify the add-on name, as well as set a minimum and maximum purchase limit for that add-on. Moving forward, merchants can define tax details. A list of applicable taxes is available. Merchants can choose whether or not to apply a particular tax to this product. Then comes the product description field, where detailed information about the item can be entered. Add-ons and related details can be defined further here, including uploading images. Multiple images can be added to better showcase the product. In the variants section, merchants can also add new product variants, modify the existing sheet, or go back if no changes are required. If no update is needed, they can exit back to the previous screen. At the top, there's a search bar. Merchants can type in the name of any product, and the relevant product details will instantly appear. There's also the option to delete selected items or even delete all products from the menu. The system also supports import and export functionality. Merchants can import product data from an Excel sheet or export the existing product list to their local system for backup or reference. To import, they simply choose the file from their system, click Import, and the data will reflect within the product section accordingly. Now let's walk through how a merchant can add a new product manually. First, the merchant clicks on Add Product. Then they'll need to enter the product name. For example, feton, fries. Next, they select the product type, such as extras or sides. This must be chosen from the predefined product types available in the system. After that, they select the product category, followed by the quantity switch, and specify whether the product is recurring. In this case, no. When it comes to taxes, both CGST and SGST are available and can be selected as required. Now, they can enter a description, for example, cheesy fries. Then comes the add-on section, where they can enable add-ons like cheese or sauces. Next, the unit needs to be defined, whether it's in pieces or another unit of measurement. For example, 1 unit for 1 piece. Then comes the market price, say Rs150, and the selling price, which is flexible depending on the merchant's pricing strategy. They must also indicate whether the item is veg or non-veg and upload at least 1 image from their local system. The system allows the addition of multiple images, offering better visual representation of the product. Once all fields are completed, the merchant clicks on Add. Now the product fries has been successfully added to this outlet's menu. In summary, this product management section enables merchants to view all their products, define product functionality, manage add-ons, and handle product visibility. They can also delete items or bulk manage product listings easily, all from one centralized interface. This section empowers merchants to maintain their menu with flexibility, efficiency, and full control. Welcome to Quickworks. In this video, we'll walk you through the Manage Inventory section available in the Merchant panel. The Manage Inventory section allows merchants to effectively manage their stock, optimize inventory levels, and monitor the availability of all products listed under their outlet. Once you enter the Manage Inventory tab, you will see a detailed list of products with the following columns: product image, product name, variant, name, selling price. Please note that the selling price is non-editable in this section. That's because it's automatically fetched from the product listing defined earlier in the products section. If the merchant needs to update or modify the selling price of any product, they must go back to the Products tab, open the respective product, and edit the price from there. Next, we have the quantity field. From here, the merchant can easily update the stock quantity of any item. For example, if a product was previously out of stock with quantity set to 0, and the merchant has now received new inventory, they can simply update the quantity to the new value as per their current stock. Following that is the purchase limit field. This refers to the maximum number of units a user can purchase for that product in a single order. It allows merchants to control high-demand items or manage limited stock efficiently. Next is the out-of-stock toggle. This is a quick action to instantly mark a product as out of stock. Once toggled, the product will no longer be visible as selectable on the customer's application. The customer will still see the product in the listing, but it will be marked clearly as out of stock, preventing them from placing an order for it. If the product comes back in stock, the merchant can simply update the quantity value. This will automatically reflect the product as available again to the customers. After making any changes to quantity, purchase limit, or stock status, merchants must click the Update button. This ensures that all the changes are saved and synced to the platform in real time. Additionally, if there's a large inventory list, merchants can use the search bar available at the top. Just type the name of the product, and the relevant item will be filtered instantly from the list. Welcome to the Stock Prediction section in the Quickworks Merchant panel. This feature provides system-generated, data-driven insights to help merchants make smarter restocking decisions. The Stock Prediction is a back-end-driven module that automatically analyzes available inventory data and purchasing patterns to generate intelligent suggestions. These suggestions include multiple key elements that assist the merchant in making informed, future-focused stock decisions. The very first detail visible here is the product name. Next to it, the system shows the available stock, that is, the current quantity in hand for that particular product. Then we have the predicted restock value, which gives an idea of how soon and how much stock should be replenished. These predictions are entirely based on historical data and live consumption trends being tracked from your platform activity. Another critical value is the depletion rate. This value is auto-calculated by the system based on actual sales velocity and user demand patterns. It indicates the average pace at which your product is being consumed. For example, if the product is eggs and the current available stock is 40 units, the system might predict a depletion date based on recent purchase data and suggest a restock timeframe in advance. Lastly, the depletion date is shown. This is the projected date when the stock is expected to run out if the current trend continues. It serves as a proactive alert, so you can initiate restocking before the stock hits 0.